Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, February 18th. Hope you had a wonderful week and that you have plans for a nice weekend. Everything is good here. My son was home last weekend. I told you guys he was coming, so that was really nice. Got to, cook him some good food and spend some time with him. He saw his friends, so it worked out really well. And I hope you had a nice Valentine's Day too. I made my husband's favorite dinner for him, which is chicken parmesan, and we just had a nice day. So hope you guys are doing well. So I got some things this week. It's a pretty small haul, but that's okay sometimes. But let me show you what I got. I went to Hobby Lobby. I got one or two things that weren't on clearance, but I did find some good clearance finds. The first thing I found is not clearance. This is a Sizzix cutting pad. I wanted to get the 2-pack of the plain ones, but they were out of stock, so I didn't get them because this week is a 40% off Sizzix week. But this one, it says $6.99. There were two on the peg, and the other one said $9.99. So are they raising the price? I guess so, unless the other one was mismarked, but I just picked up the one and it was 40% off. I didn't particularly want the glitter, but that's okay. It is pretty and I won't lose it, that's for sure. So there's that. Also not on clearance, I got this rickrack trim from the ribbon department. This is a really pretty off-white color. I don't think I have this one, and I think this will be good for my Easter projects. It was $1.99, but 50% off this week, so it turned out to be $1. So I like that color a lot. For clearance things, I got another one of these bracelets. I had the one that I got, and I really like it, so I was thinking maybe of stacking them. These are located in the front jewelry section, by the cash registers, not in the back. So it's $3.24 instead of $13.99, and it's really comfortable. I've been wearing my other one a lot lately, and so I don't know. I might keep it. I might give it away. I'm not quite sure, but it was the only one left, so I figured I would grab it. In the back left corner, there's a regular clearance section at my store, and they had 2 cases of the Prismacolor alcohol premier markers, and they look like this, and they were all on clearance. So originally they were $6.99. $6.99, and they're reduced to $1.74. So I got 10 different colors, and these have some of them had a chisel tip and some have a brush tip. So this one has the fine tip, and then I think this is the chisel tip. Yeah. So so this one is light tan. I also got muted turquoise. They had a lot. They must have just put them out because I think I was probably the first one to get to them. This one is sky blue light. And we have cream. I tried to just get the colors that I thought I would use. There were some really dark colors. I would never use those. So mocha light and dark brown. I Googled them while I was back there just because I never used them before, and they get really good reviews. So I figured I would give them a try. So cool gray, 50%. This one is cinnamon toast. And this one is brick white, and then I got a blender as well, a colorless blender. So I think these are all chisel tip. I was hoping that I could get some of the brush tip ones, but I don't know, they must have been some of them were marked in the brush tip bin, but they all seem to be chisel tip, so yeah. But that's okay, I'll use these. I just like the brush tips too. So yeah, I got those. I thought that was a really good deal for these markers that are supposed to be excellent. So those are all the colors that I got. And I think that's it for Hobby Lobby. At the Dollar Tree, my stores are just getting their Easter crafting stuff out, but I did pick up the little bunny wood shapes. They had them this time. I wasn't crazy about the chicks, so I didn't get them, but I like the profile of these bunnies, so got those. And then I got this Martha Stewart acrylic craft paint, and this color is called, where is it? I saw it somewhere. Oh, Downy. Okay. So that's all they had at my store, just a whole lot of those. And I was at TJ Maxx. I got this pretty bowl. I thought maybe you guys would like to see it. It's really, really pretty. It was on clearance. I think it was like originally in the Valentine's section. So all their Valentine's stuff is like, you know, on clearance right now. So this was $6 from, looks like $7.99 it says in the back. But it's a really nice like matte texture. I just like the way it felt, and I have a thing for dishes, and it has raised pink polka dots on it. So I'm going to put that in my kitchen, maybe put some fruit in it or something. Really like that for the spring. So there's that. And okay, I think the only other thing I have to show you are some paper pads from Michaels. They have a few new things out, and I had a couple of coupons, a 40% off and a 20% off. So I used both of those. I got this pack. This was, well, it was kind of like by the planners. I don't know why, but it's specialty cardstock paper by Recollections. The regular price is $9.99. You get 5 sheets of each. And I saw that strawberry print, so I had to get it, right? So let me show you what's in here. I did slice this open so we could take a look. It's kind of, I wish it kind of came in a pad, because now it's going to be hard to, you know, get it out and put it back in. But anyway, so there are 5 sheets, and this is a nice weight cardstock, really pretty strawberry print. It's got some unripe strawberries, some strawberry flowers and the vines, some little tiny like blue flowers in the background, and it's a pink background too. So I like that a lot. And let's see, I don't really want to take everything out, but let me just go through each of them. It comes with this white glitter that has some like silver glitter in it too, if you could see that. So I thought this was really nice, and it doesn't shed. It's kind of chunky feeling, but it doesn't shed, so that's nice. So these will be great for spring projects and summer projects. I like this stripe a lot. It looks kind of like stitching lines, the red, and then has the vine going up in green. Really pretty. This is a nice pack. So I think I used my 20% on this one. It doesn't really matter because the other thing I got was $9.99 too. And then there's this like mossy green solid. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it. If you could see that, just a little. And this one seems pretty thin, but that's okay. And then there should be one more, right? What's this one? Oh, red glitter. Ooh, that is really red. What a pretty red glitter. It's just like solid, pure red. Like a ruby slipper kind of red. Pretty. So yeah, there was that pack. This was like the only one. Well, no, there was another specialty pack too. I forget what it was. It was more like solid colors. But anyway, so there's that. And then I got this paper pad. Now this seems like, all right, it says a limited time only there. So it's not really a hot buy, but it was only $9.99. And then I used a 40% off coupon, so it was only $6. And this is really nice, you guys. It's got 16 different designs, 3 sheets of each, and there's foiling. So let me show you, let's do a flip through in case you haven't seen it yet. But it's got really pretty like butterfly kind of papers. This one is a lavender with the white print on it. So there's 3 of those. And then there's some solids in here too, which is interesting. Single-sided. Pretty sky blue. And then there's some foiling on this one. This one has the sky blue and gold diagonal stripes on a white background. And this is a pink, just a solid pink. Kind of has a little bit of blue tint to it, you know. And look at this pretty rose print. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? There's another paper in here that I was just, you know, flipping through in the store that I thought, oh, so pretty. I can't wait to show you. But isn't that gorgeous? I love it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here's a really nice plaid, pink plaid with some gold in it too. Very different. And then there's a lavender solid. Maybe that's why it's cheaper, because there are some solids in here. Because, you know, their paper pads are normally $20. All right, and here's another butterfly print, and this one Let me hold it up so you could see all the pretty colors of those butterflies. And then of course the gold foil ones. Oh, sorry about that. So 3 of those. Oh, this is the one that I saw. Look at this scene. Isn't that so pretty with the bees, the gold foiling, the flowers? Oh, if you're doing layouts, that would be great for that. But of course, you know, you can cut this up and just use parts of it. I just thought that was so, so pretty. It's so unique, you know? For $6 for this paper pad? Yeah. All right, and then we have another purple solid. And then this one I thought was really interesting too. It's just a green with a tiny gold polka dot. But I could use that in lots of different ways, so I'm glad there are 3 of those. Okay, and this one's really pretty too. Another kind of like watercolor floral with butterflies. Sorry for my arm shadow there. But just so pretty. Good for Mother's Day projects, Easter. Here's another pink solid. So I like that there are solids interspersed here because you know that they're going to match, you know. You don't have to go digging around for your solid colors. Here's some cut-aparts. Home Sweet Home. Butterflies, florals, that's pretty. Welcome Spring. Some labels or tags. Great for a card, you know, to start off a card. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's like different color carrot bunch. Yeah, that's neat. All right, so 3 of those. And then a mushroom print. Mushrooms are everywhere, it seems like this year. So there's that one. This one's a little odd. I'd probably just use this to make envelopes out of, to be honest with you. And what's after that? And then there's like this off-white cream color. So a nice mix of solids and prints. Again, that one's called Into the Garden. I saw Teresa, who is Mommy Loves Gigi, she had shown, I think she showed this one, but she also showed another one that was really, really pretty. My store didn't have that one yet, so I'm hoping that comes in. I didn't even see it online, actually. So yeah, that is it for the haul part of my video. I just wanted to show you a couple of project updates. I made a couple more carrots with this like cream color homespun fabric that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby, and I showed you guys last week in my haul, so I just wanted to show you some more carrots. Still working on my Easter baskets that I'm making for my Etsy store. And then I had shown this stamp that I had picked up from eBay, and I made a card with it with the Frank Garcia Peach Tea collection. So this is what I made. I showed it on Instagram, but I wanted to show you guys too. I had sprayed the whole thing with glitter dust in silver, and I just love that shimmer that it adds to it. So, and I colored it a little bit with some alcohol markers. And I really do think it looks nice with the vintage vibe of the Peach Tea collection by Frank Garcia. I added some Nouveau drops too, so, and these are actually Frank Garcia Sand and Crystals from Santa Baby, I think, or one of those collections. So yeah, that is it. That's all I had to show you guys this week. I have been posting a lot of videos lately. I have another one coming tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Still working on my other projects too, which I, will show you as I finish them. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment. I would love to hear what you have to, or what you think about this week's haul. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back soon, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.